Good morning, everyone. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 9th of September. ECB remains on hold and Draghi offers no easing hints. The ECB kept its stimulus program unchanged yesterday and revised slightly lower its economic growth and inflation forecasts. The bank did not announce an extension in the duration of its asset purchasing program, with President Draghi saying in the press conference that the Governing Council did not even discuss this matter. The ECB chief maintained a balanced stance overall and offered no hints regarding the likelihood of near-term easing, noting that the bank stands ready to act, though no additional stimulus is needed at this time. Due to the lack of any new information, euro-dollar traded in a choppy manner within a narrow range during the press conference. The pair assumed a direction and moved somewhat lower after it was all over. Considering the ECB's neutrality and the diminishing expectations for a September Fed rate hike, we believe that euro-dollar could trade higher in the short term, at least as we approach the FOMC meeting. Looking ahead, we see a significant probability for further ECB easing this year. Even though Draghi was reluctant to suggest something like that yesterday, we believe that the bloc's muted inflationary pressures and its very low 5-year inflation expectations are likely to warrant fresh stimulus measures in coming months. As for today, during the European day, Norway's CPI for August is expected to have slowed to 4.1% year-over-year, following the unexpected surge to 4.4% in July. In its June monetary policy report forecasts, the Norges Bank assumed that it would cut rates by another 25 basis points until the end of the year, mainly in order to support growth and investment in an economy hit by lower oil prices. However, the astonishing acceleration in July's CPI appears to be an obstacle to a potential rate cut in September, as further easing is likely to cause the CPI rate to overshoot the bank's target of 2.5% even further. Therefore, a notable slowdown in the August CPI could open the door for the bank to ease without worry, something which is likely to bring NOK underselling pressure. From the UK, we get the trade balance for July, and expectations are for the nation's deficit to have narrowed. From Canada, we get employment data for August. The unemployment rate is expected to have held steady at 6.9%, while the net change in employment is forecast to have turned positive following a notable fall in July. Indeed, the labour market deteriorated in July as the unemployment rate rose, the labour force participation rate dropped, and a lot of full-time jobs were replaced with part-time employment. An improvement in the August data could signal that this softness was only temporary and thereby support the loonie. We also get the nation's housing starts for August. We have two speakers scheduled on today's agenda. Boston Fed President Rosengren and Dallas Fed President Robert Kaplan. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on ironfx.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.